Good morning, students. Today our chapter is chapter number 4, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Screen is shared now. Screen is not shared. Okay, student. Okay, wait. Now screen is shared.
Yes, sir.
Student, today our chapter is quadratic equation. In chapter number 2, we have already studied about quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomial. Divyanshu Ranjan, am I audible to you? What is quadratic polynomial? Any examples? Any definition? General form? Quadratic polynomial. How can you recognize that it is a quadratic polynomial? Vartika says, sit properly. Priya Tiwari,
Yes.
what is quadratic polynomial? How can you recognize? Yes.
The polynomials that have the maximum power is 2 and that is equivalent to 0.
That is quadratic equation. That will be quadratic if a quadratic polynomial is equal to 0, that will be quadratic equation. Yes. Students, quadratic polynomial p of x is equal to general form ax square plus bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. A not, where a, b and c are real numbers and c are real numbers. Students, now you study about quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Now student, if your polynomial p of x is equal to 0, what is your p of x? P of x we have considered as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Students, if your polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, that is called quadratic equation. Equation always equal to something. इक्वेशन जो होती है वो हमेशा किसी ना किसी के इक्वल जरूर होती है. ओके स्टूडेंट, इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Why is it quadratic equation? Here variable is x. Here variable is x and degree of the variable is 2. Degree of the variable is 2. Highest power of the variable, that is x raised to power 2, x raised to power 1. Highest power of variable is 2, so and that is equal to 0, so it is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. That is quadratic equation. Students, here a नॉट इज इक्वल टू 0. आपका जो a है वो 0 के इक्वल नहीं होना चाहिए. If your a becomes 0, then it becomes linear equation. Linear equation bx plus c is equal to 0. Linear equation in one variables. So your a not equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. A, b and c are real numbers. Shreyas, what are real numbers? Very good students. 2 plus 3 root 5. Divyanshu Ranjan, 2 plus 3 root 5 is a real number.
Sir, 2 plus root 5.
2 plus 3 root 5 is a real number.
Yes, sir.
Abhigyan, 2 plus 3 root 5 is a real number.
Sorry, sir.
2 plus 3 root 5 is a real number.
Sir, just
Kritika Singh,
Yes, sir.
2 plus 3 root 5 is a real number.
Yes, sir. It is.
Yes or not?
now.
Yes, sir, it is.
Why?
Because real number is both rational and irrational.
Then 2 plus 3 root 5 rational number, irrational number.
Sir, irrational.
Very good student, very good. 2 plus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. Irrational number is the part of real number. So 2 plus 3 root 5 is a real number. Student, any doubt, any problems? For examples, root 3 x square plus 7 x plus 9 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Student, here 9 is your rational number, 7 is your rational number, root 3 is your irrational number. So it is a combination of real numbers, and the degree of x is 2, that is equal to 0. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Akansha,
No, sir.
what is quadratic equation? What is quadratic equation?
Sir, 1 is equal to 0.
Whose power is 2 and equal to 0?
0.
Yes. For examples, Priya, any examples of quadratic equation? Very good. Now student, in exercise 4.1, check whether the following are quadratic equation. Have you done? Exercise 4.1, you have to check that the given equation are quadratic or not. Aditya Pratap Singh, how can you check that the given equation is a quadratic equation or not? How can you check? How can you tell that the given equation is a quadratic equation or not? Pragati Singh.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we use text for not by first we have to decrease its identity as qualitative or it should be written in form of ax square plus bx is equal to 0.
Very good student. If the equation is in the form of ax square plus bx is equal to 0, then the equation will be quadratic equation.
Class 8 14. Is it class?
Now student, exercise 4.1, x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 x minus 3. Students, Sumit Kumar Bhardwaj,
Yes, sir.
what is a plus b whole square? What is a plus b whole square? Sumit Kumar Bhardwaj, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Then what are you thinking? You are studying from the 8th class. A plus b whole square. Shubham Jadhav,
Yes, sir.
what is a plus b whole square?
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
Very good students. Very good. Now students, apply the identity a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus twice of ab. Now students, it becomes a square x square plus b square 1 square plus 2a. What is a? A is x, b is 1. That is multiplied twice of x minus 2 3 are 6. Now student, it becomes x square plus 1 plus 2x. That is equal to twice of x minus 6. Twice of x cancel out. Now student, it becomes x square plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. It becomes x square plus 7 equal to 0.
So it's not in the form of quadratic equation.
Asmit Maurya. Asmit Maurya.
Yes, sir.
Is it a quadratic equation or not? Asmit Maurya, give me response immediately. Priya.
No, sir, it is not a quadratic equation.
Sir.
Vartika Singh, is it a quadratic equation or not?
Sir, can you show me the solution which you have given?
The solution which I have written,
Yes, sir.
what? The given equation is quadratic or not?
Sir, the solution which you have done, which you can show me.
Student, solution x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Why?
Because it has
The equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Because student here the variable is x and power of x is 2. Power of x is 2. So it is a quadratic equation. So it is a quadratic equation. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, third part. Have you done?
Sir, I have
Yes. Any doubt?
yes, sir. Sir, my doubt is this. Sir, that is ax square to क्या हो but bx तो बस तो quadratic लिखा है तो कैसे quadratic polynomial
Quadratic polynomial, you have to check that the degree of variable should be 2. Degree of equation should be 2. Degree of variable is 2. Student, it can be written as x square plus 0x plus 7 is equal to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx is equal to 0 or not?
Yes.
yes sir
Students, x square minus x square plus x minus 2x minus 3x plus x, now minus 2 plus 3 equal to 0. Now student, x square minus x square cancel out. Now x and x, that is twice of x, minus 2x minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. That is cancel out, minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now students, it is quadratic equation or not? No, because the degree of variable is 1, degree of variable is not 2, so no, it is not a quadratic equation. No, it is not a quadratic equation. Friend, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Do it fast. Now student, sixth part. Have you done?
yes sir.
Yes, class 10 day. Akash Khan, Alok Kumari, Ashutosh Pratap Singh, Divyansh Modi. Kindly switch on your cameras. And Delhi P. Sumit Kumar Bharadwaj, Richa, Priti Mishra, Alok Kumar. All of you switch on your cameras.
Students, I am saying you again and again. One teacher is teaching you and one teacher is observing you in the class. Who has switched off your camera? Who is not proper sitting in the class? Who is logging but not present in the class? Student, attend the class properly, switch on your camera, otherwise mark as absent. I will call your parents. Okay students? Students, exercise 4.1, sixth part. X square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square minus 2 whole square, x minus 2 whole square. Now students, x square plus 3x plus 1, a minus b whole square. Akashpal, am I audible to you? Piyush Singh, don't repeat the mistake. Yesterday you have made a mistake. Don't repeat it again. Piyush Singh, am I audible to you? Don't repeat the mistake again today. Now please tell me that what is the formula of a minus b whole square?
A square
A square
plus B square minus 2ab.
very good. Now student, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x square. Square of 2 is 4. 2 2s are 4x. Student, x square to x square cancel out. Now student, 3x plus 4x plus 1 minus 4 equal to 0. 7x minus 3 equal to 0. 7x minus 3 equal to 0. Students, is it a quadratic equation or not?
No, sir.
No, it is
No, sir.
not a
It is not
quadratic equation. No, it is not a quadratic equation. Student, any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now student, your eighth part. To solve the seventh and eighth part. Kashish Dwivedi, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube.
A plus BAB plus B. Sir, may I?
Yes.
Sorry.
Swasti Yadav.
Plus BB plus 3AB bracket A plus B.
Very good. Priya Tiwari. A cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube.
Am I audible?
No, you are not audible. Try to speak again. A minus b whole cube. Priya, your voice is not coming in. No. Lagna Jita. A minus B whole cube.
May I help?
Sir, A cube plus B cube plus C.
No. Lagna Jita. Plus 3 आएगा इसमें. वर्तिका से A minus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube.
A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A bracket minus A cube minus B cube minus 3AB A minus
And bracket A minus B. Students, be active in the class. Be active in the class. I can ask any question to the student. Be active in the class. Okay, students. Now, student, write the algebraical identity of A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB bracket A plus B. Student, it becomes A cube plus B cube plus A into 8. It can be done 3A square B plus 3AB square. Student, any doubt, any problems? Next one is A minus B whole cube. A minus B whole cube. A cube minus B cube minus 3AB. A minus B. In A minus B, all sign will be minus sign. In A plus B, all sign will be plus sign. That is A cube minus B cube minus 3A square B minus plus 3AB square. 3AB square. Now student, next one is third. A cube plus B cube. That is A plus B bracket A square minus AB plus B square. Your next student, fourth one is A cube minus B cube. A minus B bracket A square plus AB plus B. Student, you have already studied in 9th standard.
Yes, sir.
Please note down it. Please note down it. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, friends. Now come to the point. Come on the questions. Students, exercise 4.1, 8th part. X cube minus 4x square. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. X minus 2 whole cube. Student, apply the identity A minus B whole cube. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. It becomes x cube minus 2 cube minus 3axb, your 2 breaking x minus 2. Student, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Student, now x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. It becomes x cube Rinki, cube of 2, cube of 2, cube of 2. Don't think, give me answer immediately. Cube of 2. You are studying in 10th standard. Rinki, Rinki, what are you thinking? Cube of 2. 8. Adjust your camera. Rinki, adjust your camera. Sit properly. Cube of 2 is 8 minus 3 to the 6, 6x. Break it, x minus 2. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1. That is your x cube minus 8. Now student multiply it. Minus 6x square minus minus plus 12x.
Plus 10x.
X square cancel out. Student, here is equal sign. Here is equal sign. इक्वल साइन के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में और इक्वल साइन के राइट हैंड साइड में अगर आपके पास वैल्यू सेम है दैट विल बी कैंसिल आउट। यहाँ पे साइन इक्वल का है, इक्वल साइन के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में और राइट हैंड साइड में अगर वैल्यू सेम है तो कैंसिल आउट हो जाता है। माइनस 4x स्क्वायर लाइक टर्म्स आकांक्षा, am I audible to you? What are like terms? What are like terms? I am saying you again and again what like terms. What are like terms? Akansha, where are you? Yes. Yes, like terms. Yes, Akansha. Avinash Kumar, what are like terms? Like terms.
And those variables are same.
Whose variable are same? That is x square, and x like terms. Constant term like terms. X cube like terms.
Also answer the same.
Variable should be same. Whose variable are same? That is called like terms. Put the like terms close together. That is minus 4x square plus 6x square minus x minus 12x plus 1 plus 8 equal to 0. Now students, minus 4x square plus 2x square minus 13x plus 9 equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation or not?
It is the quadratic equation, sir, because it is written in the form of
Yes, it is a
x square
quadratic
plus
equation.
bx plus c is equal to 0.
Okay, students. Student, do it fast. Do it fast. Quadratic equation. Student, represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. You have to given a situation. You have to convert the word problems into quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Students, the area of rectangle plot is 528 meter square. तन्मय द्विवेदी.
Yes, sir.
What is area of rectangle?
Area of rectangle.
Yes.
Can you repeat the question?
What is area of rectangle? Sorry, wrong. Asupal, where is Asupal? Asupal, where are you? Aditya Singh, Aditya Singh. Yes, again, try again. Yes, length into breadth. Length into breadth. Students, area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of plot is one more than twice its breadth. Students, quadratic equation is, it is your quadratic equation. Students, listen to me carefully. In chapter number 3, to find the area of rectangle, we are considering that length is x, breadth is y, area of rectangle will be x into y. We are doing something. हम ऐसा ही कर रहे थे ना? Students, in chapter number 3, pair of linear equation, two variable, we are considering two variables, x and y. Length is x, breadth is y, area will be x into y. But in chapter number 4, quadratic equation, here variable is 1. In quadratic equation, you have two
X and Y,
variable is 1. Here variable should be 1. Don't take variable 2. Students, let the length of plot is one more than twice its breadth. Let breadth of rectangular plot be breadth x meter. Student, what will the length of rectangular plot will be? Length of rectangular plot will be. Read the question properly. Student, length of plot is one more plus one, then twice its breadth. Twice means two times. Multiply by 2. Twice of x plus 1. That is your length. Now student, according to your questions. Your area, length into breadth is 528. 2x plus 1. Your length, breadth is x is equal to 528. Student, it becomes that is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. Student, the given situation form a quadratic equation. The given situation form a quadratic equation.